So today I'll be working on the trunk harness and hopefully getting some grommets into those rear trunk panels. Alright, so I ended up buying the special tool so you could actually put the hard plastic tubing onto here, and the cable actually goes inside, and then you close that up, and then it just runs it right into the cable protector. And I think it's going to be a little bit difficult because I already have some wires in the protector itself, the sheathing, so it's not going to be super easy like if it was just sitting here and I could just whip through it. But I think this tool is going to work out pretty well, so let's give it a shot. So as you saw me just make these, the whole concept of this is that I'm going to put like a 3M LED tape on this, and this will go on each side of the license plate. So I could actually, you know, let's assume the license plate's taking up this space, and then I could have one of these here and then one of them over here, and every time I go into reverse it will make beautiful white light so I can actually see what the hell I'm doing. Till next time, have a great day.